Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. Today I am super excited to share my recent experience at the Disney World Port Orleans Riverside Hotel. If you're planning a trip to Disney and considering staying here, you won't want to miss this review. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the theming. Port Orleans Riverside is inspired by the picturesque landscape of the American South, and it truly delivers on that charm. From the beautiful moss-draped oak trees to the rustic architecture, you really feel like you're stepping into a serene southern retreat. The attention to detail is phenomenal, whether you're wandering along the riverside paths or exploring the lush gardens, there's always something beautiful to see. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of my stay. First, the pros. Number one, the ambiance is unbeatable. It's peaceful and relaxing, making it a perfect escape after a long day at the parks. Number two, the pool area is fantastic. With a great slide for the kids and plenty of seating, it's a perfect spot to unwind. Number three, the quick service cafeteria, known as the Riverside Mill Food Court, is a major highlight. The selection is diverse and you can grab anything from hearty meals to a lighter fare there. I personally had the pizza and breadsticks on my first night, and the breakfast of Mickey waffles and potato barrels a few days in. Both were delicious, and a quick note that their allergy-friendly menu is very good. On the downside, the hotel is quite spread out, which might be a bit of a hike for some, especially after a long day at the parks. Another con is the bus transportation. While it's generally reliable, there are a few instances where we waited longer than expected. But on another note, a quick shout out to the bus drivers who, despite the chaos, tried to make the experience magical. For instance, one of our bus rides, the bus driver found out it was someone's birthday, so she made the whole bus break out into song to celebrate. How much more magical can you get? I mean, come on. Now, let's not forget the gift shop. The Fulton's General Store has a great selection of Disney merchandise, souvenirs, and some unique items you won't find elsewhere. I loved browsing through the Southern-inspired decor and snacks. It's a must-visit for your stay. Overall, I had a fantastic stay at the Port Orleans Riverside Hotel. With its charming theming, great dining options, and beautiful grounds, it's definitely a place I'd recommend to anyone visiting Disney World. Just keep in mind the size and the transportation factors when you're planning your trip. Thanks for joining me today. If you stayed at Port Orleans Riverside or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Disney content. Until next time, happy travels.